Join me as I try to capture the most heartwarming moment ever by bringing a cat and a fish together for the first time. I've got a curious cat named Whiskers and a beautiful fish named Finley, and I'm excited to see how they'll interact with each other. The cat, being a natural predator, is immediately drawn to the fish, her eyes fixed on Finley as he swims around in his tank. Finley, on the other hand, is trembling with fear, aware that he's in the presence of a creature that would love to make a meal out of him. The cat's tail is twitching back and forth, a sign of her excitement and curiosity. She's trying to figure out how to get to Finley, but the tank is standing in her way. Finley is darting back and forth in his tank, trying to avoid the cat's gaze. The cat is pacing back and forth in front of the tank, trying to come up with a plan to catch Finley. As the cat continues to stare at Finley, he starts to calm down a bit, realizing that the tank is a safe barrier between them. The cat, however, is still fascinated by Finley, and she starts to reach out a paw to touch the tank. Finley flinches at first, but then he starts to swim up to the glass to investigate the cat's paw. The cat is surprised by Finley's bravery and starts to gentle her movements, not wanting to scare him away. Finley starts to realize that the cat isn't trying to hurt him, and he begins to swim closer to the glass, curiosity getting the better of him. The cat and Finley start to interact more and more, with the cat tapping on the glass and Finley swimming up to say hello. They're starting to understand each other, and their initial fear and curiosity are giving way to a tentative friendship. The cat is learning that Finley isn't just a potential meal, but a living creature with his own thoughts and feelings. Finley is learning that the cat isn't just a predator, but a curious and gentle creature who wants to be friends. As they continue to interact, they start to develop a deep emotional connection, one that transcends their natural instincts as predator and prey. The pivotal moment comes when the cat starts to purr and Finley starts to swim in time with her purring. It's a beautiful moment, one that shows that they've formed a deep and meaningful bond. The cat is showing Finley that she cares about him, and Finley is showing the cat that he trusts her. They're no longer just a cat and a fish, but two friends who have connected on a deep level. The cat's purring is a sign of her contentment and happiness, and Finley's swimming is a sign of his joy and excitement. They're two creatures from different worlds, but they've found common ground and formed a beautiful friendship. The cat and Finley's encounter is a powerful reminder that even the most unlikely of friends can form a deep and meaningful bond. They've learned to look beyond their natural instincts and see each other as individuals rather than just predator and prey. Their journey is a heartwarming one, and it's a reminder that friendship and understanding can conquer even the greatest of differences. Don't forget to share your thoughts on this unexpected encounter in the comments below. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to check out my next video where I'll be bringing together two other unlikely friends.